Hey, this is Victor again and my friend McNally. I want to show you how stupid it is. Look, show me. Going to home in Hendersonville, Tennessee from Kansas. I'm gonna show you. It is set for fast route, okay? Fast route. Showing me 691 miles. And now we'll be there at 22:34, and look how fast it's taking me. Now, 22:34. Now we're doing the short, not fast, but shortest route. You would assume that fast should be earlier, but now we turn to short route. Look what it's gonna do. See? Short route is faster, 21:46 and 678 miles. So which one is fast? 21:46 or 22? I'll show you one more time. When we set it short, when we set it for fast route, we let it recalculate. So fast route, for some reason, it takes longer than short route. See, 691, and it's fast route. So Rand McNally is really stupid. Don't buy it because it's gonna mess up all your route. You will waste fuel, you will waste time, you'll be so mad because I paid like $400 and I'm getting mad and mad all the time. See how it's taking me? So the fast route should be really faster than right here is straight. See, right here it's fast. Why are you taking me? So Rand McNally is really stupid GPS. Rand McNally, Intel route, how they call it, fancy names. Don't buy it because it is waste of time, waste of money, and you see it. You see, it's messed up. So that's my experience.